In Germany, we don't say bhai, apna kaam dekh. We say das ist nicht dein Bier. In Germany, we don't say pagal hai kya. We say sag mal, geht's noch? In Germany, we don't say kitna ajeeb hai. We say das ist nicht ganz sauber. And in Germany, we don't say sabarak. We say jetzt mal langsam. And my favorite, in Germany, we don't say mujhe kya, jo karo. We say da bin ich raus. Follow me if you want to sound less Google Translate and more German ready.